How to delete Rockstar Social Club account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide in how you can delete your Rockstar Social Club account. Now the process is quite a bit tricky, so let me guide you through. First here, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on any of your device. You can either head on your Android or iOS device, or you can head into your PC or computer. Now here you can see I'm on the browser. On any of your device, simply open up the browser and you want to search in for Rockstar Social Club, as I've done so on the screen. Now simply search in for Rockstar Social Club and you should get this options right here, and at the very top you can see the very first link, Rockstar Games Social Club. So you want to simply tap on it. This is the official website. Now once here, what you want to do is you want to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, but if you're not logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and there you'll find the sign in option if you aren't signed in. So you want to simply sign into your account and you should get an interface like this. Now once you get an interface like this, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you do so, here you can see the settings option and help option below it. Simply tap on the help option, and under help you can see support there. Simply tap on support. Now once you tap on support, it will take you to another page. It might take some time here to load up. Let this load up, and here, since you want to delete your Rockstar Social Club account, you want to select the option Social Club. Once you select Social Club, here you want to scroll down below and you want to again select the option Social Club account. You can see what you need help with. Simply select the option Social Club account, and once there, if you scroll down below, you can see delete account and information option there. Simply select delete account and information option, and all these terms and conditions to load up. All you have to do is scroll down and you want to check mark this box that you can see here, and you want to select the submit web ticket option. You'll have to submit the web ticket in order to delete your account. Once you submit it, Rockstar will get back to you through your email and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Rockstar Social Club account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.